What is going on, everybody? My name is Mystic. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Forza Horizon 4 on PC for free. It's honestly super easy. Only thing you guys need is obviously the setup file, which you guys can find anywhere. I'll leave you guys a link if you guys really want to in the description. But yeah, what you guys are going to do is open up the setup file that it comes with, and you're obviously going to be prompted with the setup file. Just go through the steps that it comes with. Nice and easy. Put it where you want it and install. Okay, now obviously this video shows you guys how to get it for free. So to get the free part, you're gonna get your wait to about 20-30%. That's when the little window comes up, prompts you guys to input the key. All you guys are going to do is just make a new text document. You guys can use normal Notepad or Notepad++, doesn't really matter. Call us whatever you want, you know. Really, it doesn't matter, honestly. You're not going to keep this, use it anyway. You're going to open it up. You can have this running, downloading in the background, doesn't matter. It'll still work. But what you're going to do is find your setup file that you ran for Forza Horizon 4. And all you're going to do is take that setup file and you're just going to drag it onto Notepad or Notepad++. And when you let go, it's going to show all the code for that file, for that exe setup file. This one will take a second to load because it's a long code, and I'm recording. Okay, once your guys' Notepad has successfully loaded all the code, you can tell because obviously it's not going to lag or do anything. Once you have opened it, also it won't be not responding anymore, so you should be good. Obviously you guys are just going to see random code, don't worry, you're obviously going to. But what you're going to do is you guys are going to scroll all the way down. Well, not really all the way down, but it's starting from the top. But you're just going to scroll down until you find words, like literal English words, whatever, you know, language you're doing or you're in. I'll either speed it up or skip ahead. It's about this far down from the top. Just so you guys have an example. It's not the same for all of them, obviously, but you know, that's just where mine is. Can you guys obviously see the text that it comes up when you're installing it? It's obviously just the install file. But what you guys are gonna find is it's basically steps. I'll show you guys what I mean. Alright, so here we go. So I'll tell you guys what I mean by steps. So it shows click next to continue or cancel to exit setup wizard. So like that's the first prompt it told you guys. Next. Please take a moment to read the license agreement now. As you guys can tell, obviously it's literally just the installer. Your program files, like where it wants you to download. And then what you guys want to find is here's the license key. So please enter license key. In the box below, validate. If you do not have the license key, then click get key. Obviously that's showing this little box right here. So I'll make this a little easier for you guys to read. I'm gonna copy. Here you go. So that's the part that it's in. So you're gonna look for please enter please enter your license key, click validate, get key, license key. So what you guys are going to find is the link that you click on. So here's the link for the get key. That's the link for that. You guys can tell, you guys don't know where the key ends, you guys can tell it's triple spaced right here, I'm pretty sure. 1, 2, 3, oh, it's just 2. But yeah, so if you guys don't know when the link ends, if you guys think it does end right here, just copy this. You know, you can go try it in Google. You know, obviously you have to take out spaces. Okay, there's the spaces out. So here is the link, and it works, so you guys can tell. Yeah, if it works, that means obviously that the link ended, like that's all it is. But if you guys get like something like could not find website URL, something like that, then obviously it's either less or more. So it ends right there, so I'm gonna kind of highlight that so you guys can see. And here's the next part. So here's the big part. So success, that means you got it. Not valid code, please try again. But yeah, before success we have these numbers right here, and those are, you guys can probably guess, that is our code. If it kind of looks weird like this, 7, 9, like 2 letters put together or something, kind of count each section. Like you can tell this is a section from dash to dash, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so there's 6 letters in each section, so 6, 6, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'd take out the 7, so it's not part of it. And then here's our code, so we're going to copy that, go into our license key for Horizon, you literally just copy and paste, validate, and it says not a valid code. You're gonna 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to probably take out the spaces, because that's never happened to me. But I'll take out the spaces for you guys real quick. And we're gonna click validate, and there you go. You have your success box. Press OK. License key approved right there in the installer, and it's going to continue on from the 29% that you were at. And once you're done with that, you guys can just close up, and your game will continue downloading. And that's it. Once you guys are done with the text box, or the text file, I think it's down here. You guys literally do not need this at all. You can get rid of it. And then yeah, that's the video for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed so much. I am going to be starting a series for Horizon 4. I've never actually played the game, but I just do dumb stuff like this. You know, learn a new thing every day, but whatever. Hope you guys did enjoy the video though. Like, subscribe, comment what you guys want to see next. But yeah, take care.